Sound boy. Hello. Pino fine no.
Good morning, class. Class, because I don't have time for assignment. Yes!
I tell you, you know me. I advise you, you know, yeah. I tell you, you know me. Your friends they talk with you, know me. You say all the story. I tell you, you know me. My mother beg you, you know, yeah.
Assignment. Find a HP pencil and draw a digestive system of the whole body.
Sir, pencil. I can't wait to ask you to come home. I didn't want to do that.
Question 2. These are the various characters that have played in the ramen.
Virus has no connection to that. The more character, I have a character. What are you?
All I want is what
Shut up your house. Shut up, I said shut up your house.
Sir, I shot. Oh, I'm going to summer.
I tell you, you know free. Them tell you, you know, yeah. Your mother tell you, you know free. I want you, you know.
Get out! Get out!
Sir, wallahi comes and wallahi get me get
The time is right, my brother, yeah. Oh, tell it,
I said get out!